True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So right now I am in St. Elizabeth in the Treasure Beach area. Place I'm calling him Sandy Bank. Yeah man, so welcome to the channel my people. One love and one heart, you know. So take a tour with Fire Reid if you don't want to know the Treasure Beach area, because you know a lot of it's a tourist attraction area. A lot of tourists from all over the world always visit them place here. Yeah? So take a tour with Fire Reid. Yeah man, so with the right of the sign are lashings. As you can see, lashings hotel here, so you can get your fish there. It's a very nice place, so guys keep on watching. On your right, you have the Sandy Bank Primary School. So the direction I'm driving southwest direction. So we're in the Breadbasket Parish, that is St. Elizabeth in Jamaica. On your left, yeah man, you have the entertainment center. Yeah man, there you can go and entertain a lot of different things right there. So you can go right there and entertain yourself. Also you have a supermarket there. So no parish is nice like St. Elizabeth. So when you're in the Sandy Bank area, some nice areas are close by. We can go to Jack Sprat, Jake's, so I'm gonna make a left turn that will take you on to Old Wharf Road. So you have a lot of different types of villa in this area, lots of Airbnb. So when you come this side, if you want to book an Airbnb, you can just check on Expedia, travel.com. So on your left, you have the Treasure Beach craft shop on your left. So if you're just stopping by on the channel, if you're new, if you're learning something about our sweet Jamaica in the Treasure Beach area, if you like, you can subscribe to the channel, and also you can give the video a big thumbs up free of cost, and always press the bell icon and press all, so as soon as I uploaded a video you will be notified. One Ocean and on your left. This is the road would all take you out to Tranquility Bay. This is where you have the police training department in St. Elizabeth. So I'm gonna make a left turn. So this is our beautiful island Jamaica, land we love. So this is where we have the Tranquility Bay. This is where the police training department in St. Elizabeth at. So when you're in this area, you can get a nice view up in the Monroe Hill area. That's where you have a wind farm in Monroe. And also if you're in the Monroe area, get a nice view in the Treasure Beach area. So a lot of seaside and private property in this area. So thank you guys for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.